Student, myself Mrs. Shipra Borua. So I'm talking about for class 4. It's a math subject and now it's lesson 13, data handling. So I'm explaining this chapter here. You can see here it's a data handling. Okay. So you can see here just a pictography. Okay. So now following pictography shows the number of candles brought by some children of class 4 for a festival. So here the heading is name of the student. Okay, it's Shubham, Neha, Anshu, Ridhima and Daksh, and here the number of candles which they brought. Okay, number of candles. So this here the 10 candles, here the 5, here the 8, here the 5 and here the 3 also, and total candles are 31. So now we have some questions according to this pictography sheets. So how many candles are brought by Anshu? Anshu, how many candles? We just count it down and then write here the 8 candles are brought by Anshu. So how many candles are brought by Daksh? It's 3. Daksh is 3. So name the 2 students who have brought the same number of candles. So look at this, you same numbers of candles. It's Neha and Ridhima. Who has brought the maximum numbers of candles and how many? It's Shubham. It's more candles purchasing and it's a 10 candles. And what is the total number of candles brought by children? Total number is 31. So we should write here the 31. Okay. It is a pictography. Any picture you have to draw it, and one picture is represent here the 10 student. That means skiing is showing the 30 students, right? So here it is called the pictography. So now here I have some question about these types of sheets. Yeah, this type of list you have. So the question is, which is the most popular winter activity and how many students like skiing? These types of questions you can see here. Skiing is the least and most of the students, which one here? So it is just according to your list or your pictography. You can see carefully and just see what is representing over here. Which pictograph is represent how many students, how many things over there. So we have to count it down and just continue. So now it's the next question. So we have some. You can say I have some this types of list. Okay, this type of list I have as a days. Okay, days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and here the number of smartphones sold. So how many Monday is it? 10, Tuesday 20, and these types of numbers are here given here, and this phone is represented by 5 smartphone. For 5, this symbols for 5 smartphone. Yeah, it is represented by 5 smartphone. Okay, so we have to draw like this. Here the days and here the number of a smartphone. So this phone here, this picture is represented the 5 smartphone. So here the 10 smartphone on Monday and these types of things here. Okay, you can see, and we have to show the pictograph. It is called the pictograph. So now we have the other question. The most of the traveling to school by the students of a class are given below. So here the list. We have a list. It's a mode is bus, car, scooter, cycle and walking. It's a mode of the transport. Here the number of the students are given here. So we have to draw like this. तो हाउ कैन वी हैव टू सिंबलाइज, हमने कुछ भी तरीके का ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू शोइंग लाइक दिस. ओके सो लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चंस. Here the question, the modes of the traveling. to school by the students of a class are given below. Okay, these types of list over here, and then we have to draw a pictograph to represent the above data. So here the most of the end we have to draw this one. It's a bus. How many? It's a 10 buses. So we have to draw 10 buses. And car is 3. So we have to represent this picture is this types. Okay. So we should to draw this types of pictography here, and it is the list which is belonging to this drawing things or pictography. Okay. Now we have a bar graph also. It is called the bar graph. So it is also represent like this. It's a number of students, and 2 blocks are represent the 5 students. Each and every student, each and every distances here, the 2 same distance belonging to this 5 student gap for 5 students. Here the English, Math, Science, Social Science, Social Studies and Hindi. So how many students? It is representing the 15 students. English is 15 students. Okay. So we have the questions. How many students like Maths? How many students like English? And which students like 20 students? So we have to see here. We should to see, and just English, just like English is taking the 15 students, and Math subjects like the 30 students, and these types of things here, and we just solve these questions. How many students like Maths? How many students like Maths? Is 30. You can see here, Maths is 30, right? So these questions are belonging to that bar graph. Okay. So which student subject is like the 20 students in Social Studies? What is the total numbers of students in the group? And we have to put it down here, the total number of groups here, and count it down. So now I am showing the another bar graph here. Here the bar graph and number of students, and it's a picnic spot and different type of picnic spots, and we are representing this. It is a 25, and here the 30 students in Adventure Island and Rail Museums goes to 50, actually here the 15 students goes to 15 students and whatever, and the 10 students goes to National Museum. So how many children would like to the Rail Museum? You can see over here. How many children would like to go to zoo? You can see here, go to zoo. It's 25. So I have an answer also. So it is, the questions are belonging to this bar graph. Okay, the questions are belonging to this bar graph. So here it is called the bar graph. You can see, actually the bar graph is always showing in a bar graph copy or sheet, but now it's a we are draw in a Hindi copy or all over things. So you can see like this very clearly. Thank you. This chapter is over here.